Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can add blurry borders to the side of a vertical video in horizontal in Premiere Pro. So I have this vertical video here that I'm going to bring onto the timeline. And then the first thing we need to do is we need to change the aspect ratio of the sequence. So to do that, we're going to click sequence up here, and then we're going to click sequence settings. Now in the sequence settings, as you can see, the aspect ratio is currently 9:16. So to change it to 16:9, all we're going to do is flip these two numbers around. So I'm going to change the first number to 920, and then the second number to 1080, like so. And now, as you can see, the aspect ratio is now 16:9. So now we're going to click OK, and then we're going to click OK. And as you can see, the video is now in horizontal. So now we need to adjust the height of the video so that it is equal to the height of the sequence. So to do that, all we're going to do is we're going to come to the video in the timeline, and then we're going to right click on the video, and then we're going to click set to frame size. So once we've clicked that, it will then adjust the height of the video to the height of the sequence. Now if you want to make the vertical video even smaller, then all you have to do is click on the video in the timeline, and then click effects controls, and then adjust the scale in here. Now I want it to be the same height as the sequence, so I'm going to leave it how it is. And now we're going to work on the blurry borders. So to add the blurry borders, all we're going to do is we're going to hold down the Alt key on the keyboard, and then we're going to click on the video and we're going to drag up. So what that will do is that will duplicate the video, so now we have two copies of the video. And now we're going to click on the video that is below, and then we're going to come to effects controls, and then in effects controls, we're then going to click on scale, and we're then going to drag the mouse right to increase the scale to the point where the video width is equal to the sequence. So there we go, the video now covers the full width of the sequence. So now all we need to do is we need to blur this border video out. So to do that, we're going to click effects here, and then in the search bar, we're then going to type Gaussian. And then under video effects and blur and sharpen, you should be able to see a Gaussian blur effect. So we're going to drag the Gaussian blur effect to the video that we just scaled up, so the one that is below here. And then in the effects controls, we're then going to put a number in for the blurriness. So I'm going to try, say, 80. And now as you can see, the background video is now blurry. So now if we play the video, as you can see, we now have blurry borders. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.